This allows them to detect scents from far away and even sniff out diseases like cancer. While their vision isn't as vibrant as ours, they can see shades of blue and yellow, giving their world a unique hue. Each dog has a one-of-a-kind nose print, just like our fingerprints, which can be used for identification. Instead of sweating like we do, dogs cool off through their paws, which is why you might find wet paw prints on a hot day. Their tails are like a mood ring, wagging with joy or tucking in fear. And just like us, dogs dream during REM sleep, experiencing vivid adventures. Did you know that yawning is contagious for them too? It's a sign of empathy and bonding. Plus, dogs can be left-pawed or right-pawed, showing a preference for one side. And let's not forget their third eyelid, the nictitating membrane, which protects and lubricates their eyes. Isn't it fascinating how much there is to learn about